Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Eventful Living with Kay. So today I will be showing you how to make quads for a balloon garland. I have here some 12-inch balloons that I got at the Dollar Tree. This is the only size I have, so I will be making a basic garland. And the basic garland means the base before adding any fillers. So here I'm showing you how stretchy these balloons are that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I will inflate them using my electric pump, which is a great addition if you plan on doing any sort of balloon work. So once you inflate your balloons, I like to inflate them to the max, and then I like to release some of the hair while pressing on the bottom just to get them rounded. You have to round the balloons out so you don't get that pear-shaped look, as that does not work well for balloon garlands. So you want to round your balloons once you inflate them, and I will tie them in duos and then make them into a quad. So as you can see here, I'm putting one on top of the other at the middle where they are tied, and then I'm twisting, and that's how you make a quad. And guys, since I won't be adding any fillers to this garland, I will make another video and show you how to do fillers and how to add them to a garland as well. So I'm here celebrating with my friend. She reached 15K on her YouTube channel and she wanted to do a little setup and a little celebration. So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, so here I am rounding out the balloons by squeezing on the bottom and releasing the hair slowly. Again guys, the balloons don't have to be the same size. I know they're all 12-inch balloons, but you can let the air out to all different sizes, as the balloon garland looks better when they're different sizes and when it's organic. So again, I'm going to be tying the balloons into duos, and then I'm going to be putting them into a quad by attaching them at the middle and twisting. So guys, now I'm going to be connecting my balloons together to make them into a garland, and I will be tying these by the necks. As you can see, the neck is really stretchy, so I look for one of the stretchiest ones and I will tie it onto the other one. This can be a bit difficult to do, so there is another method of using the 260 balloon to make the garland, which I will show you as well in another video, but for this video I will be tying the balloons by the neck. So next I'm going to be adding the foil balloons to the garland to show the 15K. These are some really beautiful gold foil balloons, and I will be adding them into the garland using a string that I attached. But this part was a total fail because I couldn't reach high enough to attach it to the garland. So here I go on my second attempt trying to get it into the garland, the number 5. And this time it was a success. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet guys, please go ahead and do so. And I will see you in the next video.